Have you ever wondered why the moon revolves around the Earth? Or why the planets revolve around the sun?
Scientists say it's because of a thing called gravity. But what is gravity?
Sir Isaac Newton stated that any two objects with mass exert an attractive force on each other, which was gravity to Newton. In his law of universal gravitation, Newton said that the force between two objects with mass depends on how massive each one is and how far apart the objects are.
So as Earth's center of mass is pulling the moon towards it, the moon's center of mass is pulling back at the Earth, which Newton thought was why the moon revolved around the Earth. Newton was right in thinking that the force of gravity depended on the mass of the object described, but he may have been mistaken on his idea of what gravity is. In 1905, Albert Einstein determined that the laws of physics are the same for all non-accelerating observers and that the speed of light in a vacuum is the same no matter the speed at which an observer travels.
This was his theory of special relativity.
As Einstein formulated his theory of special relativity, he discovered that space and time were woven into a single continuum called space-time.
Events could occur at one time for one observer and at different times for other observers.
Einstein then tried to add acceleration to his theory, and in 1915, he published his theory of general relativity. The theory of general relativity states that a very massive object causes a distortion in the space-time continuum, which is felt as gravity. The matter and energy in the universe curve space-time around themselves, causing the deformations in space-time. This warping of space-time by planets and stars is actually known as the geodetic effect. So the moon orbiting Earth is not being pulled by the planet's gravity as Newton thought. Instead, it is following the curvature in space-time caused by the Earth. The moon never collides with Earth because of the incredible speed at which it orbits Earth, which is actually 2,288 miles per hour.
The same goes for all the planets in our solar system revolving around the sun. The planets follow the curve in spacetime caused by the sun, which is why they orbit the sun.
As Einstein said, time, space, and gravitation have no separate existence from matter.
This is the theory of general relativity, the real reason gravity exists.
Thank you for watching. Bye!